in a musical bliss with your very own Boat Adobe's Nirvana Ion. To power on the device, follow these steps. Simply open the lid of the charging case. Our IWB Insta Wake and Pair technology enables the earbuds to power on automatically, get connected, and enter the connection mode. To connect your device to a phone Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth functionality on your phone media device and scan. Search for Nirvana Ion and pair accordingly. Congratulations! Your earbuds are now successfully connected via Bluetooth. To use your earbuds as mono solo, follow these steps. Simply take out left or right earbud from the charging case. Congratulations! You are now using mono solo mode. Your AirDots offers some basic functions as follows. Single tap either earbud CTC to play or pause music. Long press the right earbud's touch control for the seconds to turn on the beast mode for a low latency playtime. Long press the right earbud's touch control for the seconds to turn it off. Single tap the CTC on either earbud to answer an incoming call. Double tap the CTC on either earbud to end reject call. Tap the right earbud's touch control 4 times to wake up the smart voice assistant. On right earbud to increase volume by 25%. To skip to the next track, double tap on right earbud's touch control. When playing music, double tap the left earbud's touch control to go back, or double tap twice to return to the previous song. 3 taps on left earbud to decrease volume by 25%. Your AirDots are equipped with crystal bionic sound. Long press the left CTC for 2 seconds to activate balanced mode. Long press the left CTC for 2 seconds again to return to signature sound. ENX Environmental Noise Cancellation Tech algorithm cancels out the background noise so that you can be heard crystal clear via voice calls. One need not activate ENX as the 4 mics are already equipped with the same and activated by default. To charge your earbuds, place the earbuds back into the charging case in correct orientation and close the lid. The earbuds will automatically switch off and enter into charging mode. For charging the case, plug one end of the provided cable into the case, connect the other end to a computer, wall adapter, power bank, etc. Perform the factory reset in case you face any difficulty while operating your AirDots. Note, before performing reset, clear Nirvana Ion from pairing device history by forgetting device. Make sure the earbuds are inside the case. Open the lid of the case, long press the reset button for 10 seconds until LED flashes for 5 times on the earbuds as well as the case. Close the lid and wait for 5 seconds. Open the case and perform a fresh connection attempt. Congratulations! Your Nirvana Ion has been reset. If the touch controls don't seem to respond after long usage, residual stains and perspiration can affect the touch control area. Please use a pogo pin or cotton swab to clean the earbuds and use a microfiber cloth to clean the control areas to avoid precipitation.